The U.S. markets regulator charges advisory firm GQG Partners with violating whistleblower protection rule. The Securities and Exchange Commission said that GQG Partners' agreements with potential hires and a former employee raised barriers to reporting information to government agencies, including the regulator. GQG Partners, founded by Rajiv Jain, is an active portfolio management firm with headquarters in Florida, USA. According to the company's website, GQG is responsible for managing client assets of over $150 billion globally. The SEC discovered that 12 job applicants were prevented from disclosing possible securities law breaches. This was done to GQG's non-disclosure agreements and also a settlement agreement with an ex-employee. The regulator said that GQG's NDAs had certain caveats. Number one, contestants could reply to commission demands for information. However, they had to notify GQG first and they could not make any voluntary disclosures. The regulator's order said GQG entered into a settlement agreement with a former employee. This agreement came after the ex-employee's lawyer informed GQG that the client planned to disclose suspected breaches of securities law to the SEC. Now, the SEC in a press release said specifically the settlement agreement said that it permitted reporting possible securities law violations to government agencies, including the Commission. However, it also required the former employee to affirm that he or she had not done so, was not aware of the facts that would support an investigation, and would withdraw any statements already made that might support an investigation. The regulator further added that these provisions violated the whistleblower protection rules. Corey State, the co-chief of the Division of Enforcement's Asset Management Unit, said whether through agreements or otherwise, firms cannot impose barriers to a person providing evidence about possible securities law violation to the SEC, as GQG did. He further added, even agreements that contain carve-out language allowing people to report to the SEC can be violative if restrictive language in a separate provision impedes reporting to the Commission staff. In response to the SEC's findings, GQG paid $500,000 fine, consented to be censored, and promised not to violate the whistleblower protection rule in the future. In response to WION's request, GQG Partners spokesperson said GQG takes its regulatory compliance obligations very seriously. We appreciate the professionalism displayed by the SEC staff throughout the inquiry. We believe that we are well positioned to serve our teams and clients going forward.